Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make the freeze frame clone effect on CapCut with one click. So here I've already add a video of someone walking and I want to add the freeze frame effect to it. So what you guys need to do is just click on the clips and then go to style, and here swipe until you find the freeze frame effect. So there are two options. You can choose between these two right here, which one that you want to use. For example, I want to use the first one. Just click on the effect and wait for it to finish generating. Okay, so in a second it will finish. You can just wait. So the effect will take longer if you have longer video duration, so it depends on your video. Okay, it is done. You can just preview the video, or you can also always adjust the effects that you want, but I'm going to just leave it as it is. And here is the result for the freeze frame clone effect. So it will go like that. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and like this video, and also click on the thanks below. I'll catch you all in the next following videos. Bye.